Hi everyone, it's Kendy Jane. Today is Boxycharm Day. It came in a few days ago and y'all know what Boxycharm is. For the people that don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly makeup subscription box. It can be makeup, skincare products, and it's 4 to 5 full-size products. It's not samples. And it costs $21 a month. And that $21 includes your shipping fee. If you pay like 6 months in advance, I think they give you $1 or so off each box. But I have the link below. If you're interested, please click my link. I will get 500 Boxycharm charms, which equals $5 worth of products. Or I can use it for makeup for the channel. It'll only benefit the channel, but it's very easy. I've enjoyed this box for almost a year now. It's wonderful. And the 4 to 5 items, they guarantee that it will value over $100. Every box I get seems like it's better than the last month's box. That's what Boxycharm is. So if you're interested, just click on the link below. And you can, but if you want to see some previous Boxycharm videos, I'll link them up here. And you can look at what has been coming in those videos. And before I begin going through this box, please remember to subscribe. And if you want to receive notification of my future videos, ring the bell. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It's busting through the seams here, so let's open it up. Well, the card this month is usually like a postcard, but now they've changed it. It's like a 3-sectioned long card, and it lists on here, it's the theme is eye candy, and it lists we have 5 products this month. And every month they give you a discount on one of the brands in the box. And this month it seems like Tarte. You can use this to get 10% off any Tarte products. And on Tarte.com up until May 15th. And also they have a VIP offer for Dr. Brandt. And every month they have a giveaway. So instead of going to their site and getting into the giveaway, now you can just take your cell phone and scan the little square here, and you're included in the giveaway. And their giveaways are really nice. This giveaway, it doesn't say how much it's going to be. But they're really worth a lot of money usually. Okay, and this is my box here. I have it open, and this is how it comes. It's well packed. I don't know how they fit all this in there sometimes. Okay, we're going to start with our first product. It's from Tarte. Okay, it's from the Tarteist line from Tarte, and it's a liquid highlighter, and I put it on today, but I didn't use this one. I'm going to keep it for a giveaway or to give to my daughter if she wants it. I have the same sample from last year, and this is the one I used. It's a really good highlight, but I think it shows my skin imperfections, or the texture of my skin. But you start out, it's a gel cream with rose water in it, and it's very moisturizing. And you put it sheerly on your skin for a very subtle highlight, or you can add layers of it to get a little darker highlight. It's called Stunner. And let me just put a little bit on the back of my hand. You can see it on my cheeks here. I'll show you this first. You can put it a little thinner than this if you want a little subtle highlight. But Quentin, you want to come in and they can. But this is what it looks like on my cheeks. I just put a little bit here. I think I put like 2 little layers. Okay. Okay, and that's the first product. This month, they sneaked, everyone was going to receive a Colorpop palette, and there were like 5 or 6 you could possibly get. And I'm thinking, oh, I want this one, that one. Well, I got the My Little Pony palette. I don't know if there's any My Little Pony fans here. But the look I have on my eyes today is the look I did. But this is the palette. The packaging is so cute if you like My Little Pony. And they have the name of the shades on the back, which I assume is the names of some of the ponies. For instance, they have Butterscotch, Blossom, Bluebell, etc. And when you open the palette, there's no mirror. This is the shades. Okay, and I'll show you some swatches right here. As you can see, they're very pretty. I like all the colors. There's a lot of peaches and green colors. It's a 12-pan palette. And this retails for, let's see, I think like $16. Yes. Now the Tarte product retailed for $29. Just a beautiful little palette. For this eye look I did today, I started out with the Milani eyeshadow primer. And then I came with the lightest peach color here in my crease. Then I got a little bit smaller brush and I went in with this darker peach color. Then I came back in with this pretty red color here. And then I deepened the whole look up with this brown. And then I cut my crease and I put, what is that, butterscotch? It looks like butterscotch on my eyes. No, I couldn't. Starshine. I put Starshine on my eyes. It's this bronzy color here. But you want to come in and show them my look? Okay, our next item is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Pores No More vacuum cleaner, and this is it. It's an award-winning product, and what it does, it's an exfoliating mask. It cleans out your pores, helps you reduce the oil on your face, and it cleans out the pores and it reduces the size of the pores. And it's more for normal to oily skin. So I passed this along to my husband, and he tried it and he loves it. He really said it worked well. It cleans out any blackheads or anything in your pores. And let's see what this is valued at. These products are very expensive, I know. $47 for Dr. Brandt. Let's see, we'll open it up and I'll put a little bit on my hand just to see what it looks like. He said it had kind of a funny smell. It's kind of a opaque blue, like. And he said it has some grit in it, a little bit grit in it. You see it right here? And he said it tightens. You put it on for 10 minutes and then you just rinse it off with warm water. And it cleans out all your pores. Okay, our next product on the list is by the Browgal, And what it is the instant tinted brow gel with microfibers. And this one is for brown hair. And I have it on today. I use my normal pencil, and then instead of using my clear brow gel, I came back and filled in with this. And I really liked how it did the front little hairs of my eyebrows. And I just smoothed everything out and used this to fill in. But the microfibers in it are really nice. It looks like a hair. And it filled in, and then it stiffened up enough to lay it down and really make it look good. Now this brow gel is valued at $22. And our last product for this month is by a brand I haven't heard of before. It's Adesse, A-D-E-S-S-E of New York. It's the liquid lipstick that I have on now. And it's a hydrating lipstick with vitamins in it. It was kind of thick at first, but it has dried down some. It's not one that will dry totally. It will stay wet, but I love the color. I used Gerard Nude liner to line my lips. I think the color was Share. And this is the lipstick here. It's a nice, large tube of it. And let me put some on the back of my hand. But it's the same color I have on my lips here. It was a little thick for me, my preference at first, but it did dry down enough to where it's really comfortable. And my lips right now, I don't know if it's been the climate, getting cold and warm, but my lips are so dry, and this is just refreshing to put on them instead of a matte lipstick, or I really like it. But I've never heard of that company, but you'll find with Boxycharm, they use a lot of up-and-coming brands you may not have heard of, and then all of a sudden you'll see they're in Sephora or Ulta. But that product was worth $24. It's a full coverage lipstick. Okay, and that is our 5 products for this month. And the grand total of all the products is $138. So, can you please tell me who wouldn't benefit by this? I mean, just this alone is worth 20 bucks. You know, I just can't see why you wouldn't want to get Boxycharm, because it just keeps filling in the gaps in my makeup collection. Today I tried to use things that I have gotten in my Boxycharm box, and I used Dr. Brandt primer. I used a blush I received. I used the eyebrow pencil I used was that It Cosmetics one. We used that universal brow pencil. I use that just as much as my Anastasia one now. And what else did I use? Maybe an eyeliner that came in the Boxycharm. But there's so many things we have gotten, and I forget that some of them were in the Boxycharm box. So that is my review of the Boxycharm this month. And like I said, if you're interested, the link is at the bottom. Or if you have any questions about Boxycharm, just put it in my comments. I'll get to it. And I will answer you back. And also, I wanted everybody to know, if you have any makeup that you would like me to review, or something new that's getting ready to come out, if you're on Instagram, you can subscribe to Trend Mood. It's TRENDMOOD1, and they review every product that's getting ready to come out. That's where I see it first, on Instagram. If you see something that you would like me to try on and you live in another country, just let me know. You know, I'll try to get it. If I can get it, I'll get it. But that's my review on Boxycharm. Thank you for watching. And remember, please subscribe. I'm just so happy with all my subscribers. I love talking to everybody on the comments. If you have subscribed and you've never made a comment, please do. That way I get to just touch base with everybody. But until next time, bye.